Okay, number 1 says there's an object spinning at 520 RPM with a radius of 1 meter. And it's spinning at 520 RPM. What's the centripetal acceleration of the end? Something on the very end. What's the centripetal acceleration? So to find centripetal acceleration, I need v squared over r. So I have to somehow find the velocity of the end. Now there are two ways to do this. The way I like to do it is to simply use dimensional analysis, where I start out with 520 rotations in 1 minute. That's 520 RPM. So one rotation is 2 pi r meters. So rotations cancel. Then I'll change minutes into seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So then minutes cancel, and I end up with meters per second. So 520 times 2 pi divided by 60. And I get 54.5 meters per second. So that's my speed. I'll end up putting that there. The other way to do it is to find the velocity. It's distance divided by time. Well, the distance that it goes is a circumference, and that's 2 pi r. So if you take 2 pi times the radius 1, that tells you how far around it is. 6.28 meters. That's how far around it is once. So you're going 520 of those, so the distance is 520 circumferences, and the time is 60 seconds. So if you multiply that all out, that's the exact same thing. That comes out to 54.5. So regardless, my velocity is 54.5, and the radius is 1. So I take 54.5 squared, and I get 3,000. So 2965, or 3.0 times 10 to the 3 meters per second squared.